Nice, nice. Ooh. Yeah, exactly. I like that. And then my pockets hurt. Well, we picked out
From here you can see a lot of different kind of zippers.
zippers. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
But actually zipper also have many details you need to focus.
I got to focus on many details. Okay.
Yeah.
Custom zipper. These your peoples? All right.
Custom zipper.
Okay.
So you can see like different kind of custom zipper here, and you can use it. Actually, you have a different kind of color, shape. We just need to open the module.
Okay.
Right? We design the module, and then the module is more expensive. It's the main cost when you
Which
custom.
one? The
This
model.
shape.
Okay.
Yeah. The shape, and then we make the mental module
Okay.
to make that shape.
And then go along with it. So how many zippers do you have to buy?
How many? Now we make smaller quantity, 1,000. Literally, it is like 5,000. Yeah, and
But
even
now
more.
oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So that means I gotta make 1,000 zip ups.
Yeah, but you can use it really fast.
Anything with zippers. Oh, got you. What else do you use zippers on?
Short
pocket, butt quarter zip.
Exactly.
You said quarter zips?
Yeah.
All right, I got you. Like a hoodie with only half zip. Okay.
Even the zipper have a different kind of teeth. The teeth means different levels.
There's different levels of zippers.
Yeah,
All right.
of
Okay.
course.
Okay. Of
Different
course.
level.
Of course.
And for example, when a lot of people say, oh, I wanna use the zipper, really, right?
Okay.
Really zipper, and also have the other high-end zipper.
Okay.
So for example, this teeth.
Oh, the teeth like that part of the zipper.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is one of the high-end zipper.
Okay.
The teeth is different. We call it cone teeth.
Coin teeth.
Yeah, cone.
Corn teeth.
Hot cone. Cone teeth.
Okay, cone
The
teeth.
teeth like that. And this is white teeth. You see
White
the shape.
teeth.
The shape is different. You see?
Okay,
The
this
shape
is
is-
clothed white.
Yeah, white teeth.
Clothed teeth,
And
white
then,
teeth.
普通牙. And normal teeth. This is normal teeth.
Normal teeth.
Normal teeth cheaper.
Cheaper.
But literally we use to white teeth.
White teeth or clothed teeth.
Cone teeth.
What teeth do you got?
It depends which one you like.
No, what teeth you got?
White teeth.
You got white teeth.
White.
There you go. All right, what you like, Keon? Short teeth, wide teeth, or normal teeth? So this one? No.
It looks luxury. When you see the details, they feel different.
This closed,
Yeah. you
closed
see?
teeth?
Cone teeth, yeah.
Cold teeth. And this regular teeth, right? Or white teeth?
Yeah.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah. So we can do your logo and use the footer. Logo we did today.
Yeah. But are you able to?
The one. The
This-
circle one, yours.
Yes.
I try to figure out like how to make that shape.
Oh yeah, circle's kind of
Yeah,
hard.
no, I mean that is one is kind of like separate words. Right?
Just make it a circle.
Or make a circle
Or-
and put inside.
Yeah.
Or emboss. Or something like this.
Yeah.
Right?
Or like, you don't have to do the small work. We can just do like we do just like HK or see if they can just do the whole thing.
Yeah, HK.
Yeah.
And then something like this or this.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at, that 5G or.
HK.
Yeah, we'll do a circular one like that with HK.
Yeah, okay.
How come my zipper's not smooth?
You gotta go straight up and down.
This is white teeth, you see? Is that good or bad? Good. So this is the way we walk through all the fabric markets.
Okay.
It's big and
And this is only floor one.
underground. This is underground.
We're underground.
Yeah,
and we
yeah,
got,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see like different shade, they have a different material. What's
Okay.
up? Okay.
So where we headed to right now?
My guy.
This is for what are we working on now?
Custom bags.
Custom bags. Okay.
Yeah, custom bag.
How we doing? Good. Custom bag for like what? The packaging or
Poly
what?
bag. These are labels.
Or these are labels?
Yeah, labels and bag.
Okay.
And this is like if you want to add the extra, these type of labels, like Fear God has.
No.
But this is all the different, like you get shiny,
Okay.
non-shiny.
Oh, like
gloss,
Burberry.
no
Okay.
gloss.
Facts.
They're doing a Bape one for me. So you know how Bape's kind of glossy?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're doing a Bape
So
one.
is ours like a label or is ours just printed on there?
Right now it's printed because there's not enough time to make labels.
Got you.
But now you can make the label.
Label.
But
Got
you
you.
gotta pick like, do you want it glossy, not glossy, square,
Copy.
whatever you want it.
All right, bet.
The way it's designed, it
You
has
see,
to be square.
Vegas Studio now try to upgrade their packaging, everything. So I told him, yeah, I get for you.
For the labels? Okay.
So this one is good. Put your logo.
Guys, so we're working on the packaging of like what the t-shirts will come in or the hoodies or the sweats and everything like that. I ain't gonna lie to you, we're going down the whole process of all this stuff. This is all new information coming to me. You're saying labels, fabric, material, poly, ester, all in all, but we learning. It's all about, as Keon said, knowledge is growth. That's what you told me. Would you tell me something like that earlier? It's always good to learn, so I'm learning, all right? So we're going to figure this out. Okay. Nice, nice. Ooh-wee!
What do you want to copy?
Who do I want to copy? What do you want to do, smaller or bigger?
It's the same. It's just like if you want to get more.
This size?
On how you want them.
That's what you want?
I think that, or it's like
The one we put in showroom is
this
Yeah,
size,
exactly. That's what I was saying.
This size or like this size.
So
this is more larger. This is more larger. The density is different. It's a
The what?
higher density here.
Okay.
So the label, but some people make label. They just use like just put the name. It's enough. Yeah. Because
let me
if
see,
you
let me
see
see,
the
baby.
details, are really decent. Will be better. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Yeah. See, and you see.
got
see
you.
this.
So,
Different kind of labels, and show
Got you.
you the quality. You can know what to
so
make.
we're looking at this one and this one, right?
Yeah.
Or is it this one? This one, or these two, basically.
Yeah.
All right, got
Luxury.
you. Yes,
Yeah.
luxury for the
Luxury.
tees. Thank
Make your
you.
own name tag, hand tag, and the brand package.
Yes. So we need to check out the packaging now.
Yeah.
What do we want on bags?
Zipper bag is okay, I
Zipper's
think.
probably the best. But
Easy.
Bape does a like this.
Yeah.
There's a pull zipper. You can do strings.
What you like, Kim?
One you just showed at first. Poly bag. Your poly? It's clear or frosted.
Yeah, this is
Frosted.
transparent.
What's frosted?
Frosted is like. Mine's are frosted right now.
These about to fall off. Okay.
So you can. It's still. You can. Mine's are frosted right now.
Is that what we like?
Yeah, just choose whichever one. That doesn't matter too much.
Well, all right. So frosted, okay. That's cool. We like that one too. I like that one. That's cool with me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm just here to make it happen.
See everything.
To see everything, yes, sir. So we got zippers done. We got labels done.
Custom bag.
Custom bag. What's it called? On the labels, do we need to do it where like
But people want to do the washing label.
washing label?
Yeah, washing label like this.
Burberry.
Yeah, just do default.
Huh?
The regular one.
The regular one.
Okay.
Hold up.
The one we do.
Oh, yeah, default.
Okay, no problem.
No, easy. All
So
right.
now we upgrade also. We upgrade.
You upgrade it?
Yeah.
All right.
It's different now.
Well, I just made this though.
Yeah, we upgrade.
Yeah. Why after I make it?
It's like random, you know, random upgrade. You show the poly bag?
Yeah. We're going to do that frosting. Oh, right here.
Joshing. It depends like what kind of joshing you want. You want to put, yeah, you choose one style because normally we do custom
Yes.
brand name in the joshing
Yes.
kit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, or some of the people they just make the name like this. See? Like this, you put
Oh, that's tough. That's tough. How you like that? No? No, we don't like that. We don't like that.
you
No.
want to have the mental tip?
Which one? Just simple metal tip?
Yeah, sure. Take it.
Let me see.
So,
That one's
Oh, let me
subtle.
see. Can I see that? Oh,
same.
it's the same.
yeah, the same.
Similar.
Yeah, the same.
The same.
I want to get that for my one brand who's looking for like woven
Okay.
in and out ones like that one.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah, this one is like just used.
Yeah. But sometimes the plastic comes off.
What those? These do?
I think like for my Nike ones, it's look like something like this and it like comes off.
These come off?
They just glue well. It will be better.
Oh, okay. They coming to work too.
Your favorite, Chrome Heart.
Chrome Hearts. Is this the real Chrome Heart pendant?
Yeah, they just follow that to make.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's real chrome?
Real silver.
Oh, this real silver. Expensive.
No, it's not silver. It's just like
Fake. It's fake version.
Is chrome real chrome?
That's not real chrome. He
No,
said,
is real chrome chrome?
yeah, it's real.
It's sterling silver.
Yeah, but that stuff expensive than a mug.
Can
Yeah.
you get these for like 100 pieces, find in market, or this is a minimum?
get this.
Yeah. Like if you
We need to make my own coin.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's
So
go make
you
it.
See the shiny
Shiny silver,
button here, so it's okay to make it. It's just
Yeah.
like easy.
but we need big coin.
So actually, like when you try to design something, for example, coins.
Yes.
This is button, but actually we just like design the model to make it.
Okay.
It's okay. So we try to figure out like both sides the design and then check out the price. Everything.
Gotcha. We need a bigger coin. HK, yeah.
Okay.
Like, you,
So
what's your other idea?
So the business idea for you is like,
Yes.
think about that, 3,000 pieces shipping by sea. The shipping fee to each piece is nothing,
Okay.
right? And then you don't need to make that 3,000 pieces to be the same style. Today I bring you here to see everything. You see
Yes.
rhinestone, printing, beading,
Yes.
everything. So the unique style, make your own custom fabric, your own fitting.
Yes.
And then people love it. For example, the best seller is black. And then you create a different graphic design.
Yeah.
This time, this graphic. Next time,
Different graphic.
next sneaker comb, rhinestone or beading. Every time I change different. I just like take 100 pieces from the 3,000. If they sell good, okay.
Oh. So you
Restock
say
again.
you say buy 3,000 right now, and then take 100,
Yeah,
take 100,
because
take 100.
Exactly, because you don't want to risk to have a really high stock, right?
Got you.
Yeah.
So you upselling me right now.
No, I just an idea for you.
Ah.
Yeah, because like
So
you can have a higher margin.
yes, higher margin.
Yeah,
3,000 pieces.
yeah.
Oh.
I
Okay.
not try to push you to have a big order, but it's a business model. Because
Yeah.
you come here, all of your friends, they don't have the mindset how it looks like. Next time when we
Now
talk,
I'm
like,
here. I know.
Yeah, and then you
Gotcha.
talk about, hey, and then I put on the sleeve.
Yeah, the patch.
Yeah, yeah. And anywhere.
Yeah.
And then you keep creating new design.
New
and then
designs,
People, oh,
buy
how
it.
could you create the design so fast? Even you
Because it's
just
already
like-
done.
Yeah. Even if it's 30 pieces, it's okay. You just test the market. If people like it, boom, go.
Make more because I already have the
Yeah.
majority bulk.
Exactly.
I see what you're saying. I see what
Exactly.
you're saying. Okay. Maybe. I'm
Yeah.
thinking.
Yeah,
You got
thinking.
my.
I give you some idea. I not ask you to order now.
Yes.
But like this is business. Business
This is-
always need to plan well.
Yes, to
Yeah.
keep creating, keep designing, and keep growing.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that.
Like think about that. If everyone make T-shirts, hoodie,
Yes.
you just like
You gotta be
sell
something
a
different,
regular-
yeah. Alright,
This
so-
is the world's biggest fabric market.
World's biggest fabric market.
Yeah.
This is crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I am overwhelmed by how much stuff it is already.
Yeah.
And I don't even know what I'm looking at. But
lot.
I'm learning.